What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today, holy smokes, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. It's just absolutely still mind-blowing. I had to kind of sit there and think that I'm about to say this to you. Michael Droz, the CEO of AgEagle, will be no longer the CEO of this company. He is actually stepping away from the company, and, there's going to be some others that are going with him. This is something that we're definitely going to cover because you know how much I not only cover AgEagle, but you know exactly how much I cover the drone sector. I think that this is a significant transition because who is going to take over. So if you're interested in AgEagle, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. But before we dive in and not only find out about the new CEO and really kind of figure out some of the direction in which we envision him heading, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go. In all honesty, ladies and gentlemen, I did not envision this happening really in a 12-month span. I just did not expect this to happen so soon into the announcement that he would be the CEO, and now we're seeing Michael Droz heading out the door. I don't feel that there really is a negative thing you can say about Michael Droz because I do think he kind of positioned this company in a good direction. I just think that in this situation, we are going to see that the new CEO really has a bigger, I guess you could say, objective from a drone perspective, a little bit more of a vision for drones, and really probably has deeper networking ties, and really, honestly, is just an absolute beast when it comes to this sector. I'm absolutely impressed to the fact that this individual came over, did what he had to do, and is now in position to lead this company into the future of drone delivery, package delivery, however you envision drones functioning in this entire sector. He's now leading the charge, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to dive in and we're going to talk about this entire thing. So here we go. And man, this is still incredible to me. So AgEagle, an industry-leading drone solutions provider, today announced that its board of directors has named Brandon Torres Declet. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Brandon Torres Declet, current Chief Operating Officer of the company, as its new Chief Executive Officer. That happened pretty quick. I wonder if that's a record. Effective immediately, he is succeeding Michael Droz, who has elected to leave AgEagle to pursue new career opportunities. Barrett Mooney, chairman of the board, stated Brandon is a proven leader with a distinguished track record of entrepreneurial success, innovation, and talent development, as well as deep knowledge, influence, and experience in the drone industry. In all honesty, ladies and gentlemen, that literally sounds like a quote from my last video. I mean, I know these guys obviously are aware of Brandon Torres Declet probably well before I was even aware, and they knew what they were getting when they got him. It's just, honestly, I was super pumped when I read his track record, and honestly, it makes complete sense. So we're going to continue on. It says, after careful consideration, the board determined that the change in leadership was a great opportunity to leverage Brandon's expertise to grow the business and provide its shareholders with long-term growth and value. The board has great confidence in Brandon and believes that under his leadership, AgEagle will continue to break new ground, providing a broad range of drone hardware, sensor and software solutions to global customers. This change will foster AgEagle's pioneering spirit and cement the trust and fidelity it is forging with its customers and business partners in the rapidly growing drone market. The board and I are deeply appreciative of Michael Droz for his leadership and contributions to AgEagle over the past 12 months, which has helped to position the company to diversify its reach into a broader range of drone market verticals. He leaves AgEagle in a strong strategic and financial position, and we thank him for the services, said Mooney. In all honesty, ladies and gentlemen, I do have to agree with that statement. I do think Michael Droz put in a lot of good effort, at least what we were able to see from an investment standpoint and really from the public eye. I mean, you could see his his personality in some aspects when they would provide, articles like this. You could sense the fact that he really did have a direction. My biggest question is, really, did he have the ties? Did he have the networking? Was he able to really get in within the drone sector? And that's something I definitely envision Brandon being able to do because of his background and really the direction at which it's heading for drones and package delivery and things like that. So, that's just my biggest question. Droz stated, "I am very proud of what we have accomplished at AgEagle over the last year, increasing shareholder value by approximately 350%, revenues by approximately 333% from 2019 to 2020, with revenue growth rate continuing into 2021, increasing gross profit from 32% in 2019 to 45% in 2020, and in hiring incredibly talented team members that have propelled the growth of the business. The business is in excellent shape, and I'm confident the team will continue to deliver terrific results. I wish the entire AgEagle family all the best for the bright future." And, those are some really impactful numbers, and I do expect whatever happens next for Michael, he will be in a good position as well. I mean, those are good numbers, and, for him taking over the company when he did and being able to accomplish some of those tasks, that definitely looks well probably for him moving forward. We all want to thank Michael for his work over the past year and wish him the best in his future endeavors. I'm incredibly excited about what the future holds for AgEagle, Measure, and MicaSense as we pursue developing and providing quality drone solutions to enterprise customers around the world, says Torres Declet. That's a significant piece. Again, I do envision that they are trying to accomplish the one-stop shop. If you need, any facet of drones, you can come to AgEagle and they will provide that solution to you. So I really do feel that that is a direction in which they're going. So continuing on, it says, as announced on April 29, 2021, Torres Declet joined AgEagle's executive leadership team as COO and a member of the board of directors following the company's acquisition of Measure, an award-winning aerial intelligence solutions company. Torres Declet founded and served as CEO since 2014. He has been named a Washingtonian, that is a massive word, magazine tech titan 3 times, and was recently appointed by the U.S. Secretary of Transportation to the Federal Aviation Administration's Drone Advisory Committee. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't speak again how significant that is. That is now your CEO of this company. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to do now is break down Brandon Torres Declet's entire outlook, his resume, and what we can potentially expect from Brandon. So here we go. In 2014, Torres Declet co-founded Measure, an award-winning drone-agnostic aerial intelligence company recently acquired by AgEagle while serving as Measure CEO. His leadership resulted in the completion of tens of thousands of drone missions, collecting data on high-value assets for Measure's world-class customer base. Some things I want to point out there is the fact that they talked about tens of thousands of drone missions. They've also talked about the fact that they have a world-class customer base. I think that is huge. In addition to his responsibilities as COO of AgEagle, which did not stick for very long because now he is running the show, Torres Declet will also continue to lead Measure as its subsidiary's president. It'll be interesting to see if he holds that position with the new promotion. It says, prior to founding Measure, Torres Declet worked in a private sector establishing and managing the Defense of Homeland Security government relations practice at McAllister & Quinn, a Washington, D.C.-based consulting firm. In public service, he was served in a senior level position for the New York Police Department, the Senate, and Intelligence and Judiciary Committees, and the House Homeland Security Committee. He also served as the counsel on Capitol Hill to Senator Dianne Feinstein and Congresswoman Jane Harman. Led the intelligence program at New York PD, Counterterrorism Bureau under Police Commissioner Ray Kelly and coordinated drone policy for the Departments of Defense and Homeland Security. Torres Declet also served on the UAS Registration Task Force Aviation Rulemaking Committee and authored a precedent-setting Section 333 exemption. Ladies and gentlemen, this is by far, an outstanding hire. I can't emphasize that enough. And just by that information I provided you right there, it does sound like there is a good opportunity for AgEagle to then potentially pursue more government contracts. Homeland Security obviously is something that he has a background in. There is just so much that he is bringing to the table, and we're not finished. In January 2021, Torres Declet was appointed to the Federal Aviation Administration's Drone Advisory Committee, the DAC, a federal advisory committee that provides the FAA advice to create a strategy for the safe integration of drones into the national airspace system. Again, ladies and gentlemen, I can't speak highly enough. You're literally talking about a leader who is laying the blueprint out, is literally providing a playbook for drones in the FAA airspace. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, this is as big as it gets from a drone perspective. And again, he is your CEO. And that's not it. That is not it. He was also named a senior advisor to Oxford University's Center for Technology and Global Affairs and recognized as a tech titan, again by that massive word, the Washingtonian magazine. Torres Declet holds a JD from Fordham University School of Law and an LLM from Georgetown University Law Center. I'm more excited about this incoming CEO. I think that he has a massive vision, a good direction, and really probably has some deep ties when it comes to, the FAA, the aerospace, the businesses, everything drone relations. I think you got a great one. I think we got a great one, and I'm just beyond excited to see where we go from here. We've come to my favorite part of any video, and that's chart breaking down time. So let's swing on over here and check out UAVS, AgEagle Aerial Systems. So today it opened at $4.64. It got as high as $4.80. Its low was $4.40. Its volume was 1.764 million. Its current market cap is $320.9 million. Its 52-week high is $17.68. Its 52-week low is $1.14. And its average volume is 4.065 million. So we are looking at a 1-week chart. I'm not going to focus so much on the chart as of right now because I think with the new regime being put in place, I think you're going to start to see some things change up just a little bit, even from a stock price perspective. It's going to be interesting to see how it responds today, just because this is kind of a change, for the better, I believe, but it is a change, and it could be viewed as a negative. So it'll be interesting to see how the market, really this stock, responds to the news. So today it did close at $4.69. That was up 1.08%, but in the after hours it did go down 1 cent, and that wrapped out the day completely at 0.21% in the red. So honestly, guys, I am beyond excited to see the moves that this creates. I'm excited to see the direction at which we start to head based on all this information. We understand that he brings a punch. He really does bring a heavy hit when it comes to his impact in the drone sector, what he is doing for drones, and I really think what he is definitely going to do for this company. I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on AgEagle and the new CEO, Brandon Torres Declet. Absolutely excited. I can assure you this will not be the last video on this company, on this CEO, or this stock. I know for a fact it won't be. So I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video. I do want to remind you guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoyed the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.